Johnson, the fullback, with Jones on the sneak, and the quarterback falls straight ahead on the left hash mark of the 49. Should have the first down. The official on the far side looks like he's going to give him a good spot. Although now we see the problem is the near side official comes in. They're going to mark him short of the 49.
The problem is the far side stick. The real sticks are here on the both far sideline. He just had to adjust that.
So it'll be third down and about a half yard. Bolden, Jonnu Smith, and Jacoby Myers into the lineup. Owenu, Henry, and Jakob Johnson depart to the sideline. It is third and a half yard. Jones will move under center. Offset I formation with both Harris and Bolden in the lineup. Myers in motion for the left to give to David Harris. Jump cut to his left. Into the hole he goes. And he's going to need a big spot here, a beneficial spot for the Patriots. The Bills look like they plugged the gap. And it appears as though he will be short. The Patriots are going to look at a fourth down and inches.